completed 13-3. And clearly, Jeff, they've dominated the football game. 11 first downs to only 4 for Jacksonville. It kind of went the way Kevin Stefanski would hope. He deferred and kind of dominated the half.
Well, we knew that the Cleveland Browns defense was simply one of the best in the National Football League. Tony, last year, #1 in yards allowed, one of the best players in the National Football League in Myles Garrett. And the Jaguars offense had absolutely no answers in the first half.
Hey, let's go. Come on. Let's go. We better get our mind right. Come on. Let's go. Get our mind right. Hey, they're going to trigger. They're going to be fast downhill. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Big drive for the Jags. You've got the 3 and out from your defense. Can you get your offense going here a little bit? And he is going to get drilled. They blitzed. Jordan Hicks got him. I'm telling you, he had barely faked the handoff to Travis Etienne, and Hicks drilled him in the backfield.
Let's go. Let's go. Too many negatives. Can't play behind the chains against these guys. Let's go.
They blitz again. They've blitzed all day. Trevor's hit. Sacked.
Now you got to look at each other and say, hey guys, we're still in this game. We got plenty of time.
Play fake. Trevor drops. Looking. Fires deep down the field. Wants Brian Thomas Jr. The ball is caught. He got away from a defender. Let's go. Let's go. The explosive rookie gives you a first down. Second and goal from the 4-yard line. Trips to the right. Etienne, the running back. They run it with Etienne again. Toward the goal line. Touchdown. Let's go. Let's go. The Jags in the end zone for the first time today.
That's how you run a post. You keep it, you throw it, and then you separate last second.
Wow. I can tell you from field level, I thought there was no way he was going to catch up with the ball. He not only catch up with it, but within a stride, he stiff arms Denzel Ward. What an unbelievable catch, and the energy is all different in the bank.
4-man front for the Jags. They blitz this time. Watson hit as he couldn't let it go. He got sacked. The Jags got him. Boy, Aluakin blitzed and got him inside the 25-yard line.
Yeah, baby!
They jumped out of the way. Stay locked in. Get ready to go win this thing.
So here come the Jags from their own 2-yard line.
Starts with protection. You got to protect and give Trevor time to operate.
1:48 to play in the ball game. Jags trail by 3. Shotgun, 2 receivers to either side for Trevor Lawrence. He drops, 4-man rush. Trevor scrambles. He is going to get sacked in the end zone. He is going to get sacked in the end zone by Alex Wright on the first play of the drive. 3rd down and 6. Jags are out of timeout. Play fake. Watson's just going to keep it. And then he's just going to try to throw it downfield. But that did stop the clock.
This thing's not over, guys. Far from over.
Dropping, 4-man rush. Trevor steps up, fires deep downfield. That's caught. Gabe Davis. He's got it to the 30-yard line. That'll be a first down to 32. 3-man rush this time on the Browns. Trevor fires it deep downfield. That one is caught by Brian Thomas Jr. First down to the 32-yard line. The clock turns. You got to get there and spike it. Here we go. 8 seconds to play. Trevor rolls right, looks, fires it toward the end zone, and that ball is going to be incomplete as the game ends. A valiant effort by Brenton Strange to try and come up with it. He could not bring it in, had his hands on it, a lot of defensive players there. The Hail Mary is not answered, and the Browns hang on to win 18-13.